Hi everyone! This week on Friction Friday, we have the 2025 to 2026 Mini Cooper John Cooper Works. Built on racing DNA, the Mini JCW is engineered for sharp handling, quick response, and driver-focused performance. With that level of agility and speed, braking precision is just as critical as acceleration, and DFC delivers the control this performance hatch demands. Our DFC 5000 series brake pads and rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, providing strong initial bite, consistent pedal feel, and fade resistance during spirited driving. GeoSpec coated rotors offer long-lasting corrosion protection, while OE-specific hardware ensures precise fitment and reliable installation. Designed to perform under high heat conditions and aggressive driving inputs, this braking setup delivers quiet, controlled stops without sacrificing performance or durability. For added convenience, all components are available individually or as a complete all-in-one brake kit, helping distributors simplify inventory and allowing installers to complete service efficiently and accurately. DFC is proud to support the 2025 to 2026 Mini Cooper John Cooper Works with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for performance, reliability, and OE level fit. At DFC, we continue to stay ahead of the market by investing in innovation, expanding our catalog quickly, and supporting our partners with industry-leading fill rates and service. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.